go. I think this probably my favorite. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be styling some pants I got from Rainbow. These black cargo pants. I want to be styling them 3 different ways. So if you'd like to see the outfits that I create, then please continue to watch. Alright, so the first look, when I saw these in the store, I was like, oh yeah, get these. You might as well take the tag off because we keeping these. Hello? Y'all, I'm excited. Look at these. Let's keep going. A graphic tee. I like it. Real casual, so we're gonna throw them on to bring out the black and white. We're gonna put on some black and white Adidas. Can't really see the shoe, but there it is. Of course, we gotta put on accessories. So I'm gonna watch. Can put on some hoops. Let's get the 90s vibes going. To have like some big, like the big bamboo gold earrings. I don't know where they are right now, so we're gonna use these for now. I'm gonna put on both of these pants. The vibe, I'm liking the vibe so far. That's not bad. Am I ashy? Don't matter ashiness. It's okay. This jacket. I like this jacket a lot. Okay. Still kind of like dressy at the top, but casual at the bottom. To me, this is how I would wear it. You know what I'm saying? Got a little extra going on the sleeves, but real calm. You know, a bit more feminine at the top and a little bit more at the bottom. The black going on. I would definitely probably put on a red lip, but for the sake of today's video, we're not. But yeah, I like it. I feel like this looks. It's like let's go to the movies, let's go grab something to eat. Let's just chill. But we're gonna be cute while we do it. You know what I'm saying? So that's look number 1. Let's go on to look number 2. So I decided to keep this look on. And so I did add some heels. Tuck in the shirt. Maybe you don't like gym shoes or you don't like a gym shoe type of person. Maybe you like heels. So I decided to, hey, let's switch it up. Let's put some heels on. If you want it to be a little bit more dressier. Same look. Only thing I switched was I tucked in my shirt and I added on a pair of heels. Same look. Like this is look number 2. Just to go for a different look. So because I'm not putting on a necklace, I'll put on a statement earring, which looks like these. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Got earrings on, got out. No necklace, just put on one ring, or watch, and then all we need is a bag. So we're gonna put this bag on, just to bring out the browns that we already have. I think this cute. Very cozy and comfy. Just to bring out the browns. Because on the last outfit we did all blacks. So this time it is black and browns. I got to run errands. I'm doing at the door, but I still want to be cute. Type of look. Look number 3. These heels. That looks good. What y'all think? So now we're going to do accessories because I do have a turtleneck. I don't know if I feel like doing a necklace. We're going to do a statement earring, like a pin statement earring. These are cute. It's like flowers. Ooh. Y'all. Look at this earring. Oh, so cute. Yes. Love this look. Yeah. So this is look number 3. So here, rocking with this look. Like this. Yeah. Come on, Jess. You can actually take the, what's this thing called? The strap. You can take the strap off, and then you can just wear it like a clutch. I don't know what it is, but I love full leather jackets. And here's another one. So you can put this on like this. Oh, yes. Let's go. I think this probably my favorite out of all the 3. Like, this feels like me. You can put it over your shoulders. Y'all can probably tell from the video, baby, I'm excited. I need to go outside. You know what I'm saying? I need to be going somewhere. We're cute, real casual, real, I like this look a lot, as you can tell. Let's get to it. I wish I had somewhere to go right now. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. We did 1 pair of cargo jeans, 3 different ways. Comment below which one was your favorite. Was it look number 1, number 2, and number 3? See you guys next time.